Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you start your Windows 11 computer and are instantly trapped on a blue screen asking you to choose your keyboard layout, or if your mouse and keyboard are completely frozen on this screen, your Windows recovery environment is caught in a boot loop. I will show you exactly how to bypass this and fix your startup sequence right now. Let's get started. First, if you are completely frozen on this screen and cannot actually click a layout, your modern USB 3.0 drivers are failing to load in the recovery environment. Unplug your mouse and keyboard and plug them directly into the older black USB 2.0 ports on the very back of your motherboard, rather than the blue or red ports. If you are on a laptop, perform a hard reset by pressing and holding your physical power button for 15 seconds until the machine completely powers off. Then turn it back on. Next, once your mouse is working and you can successfully click on your preferred language layout, you must use the Advanced menu to break the recovery loop. Click on US or your specific regional layout, and on the Choose an Option screen that follows, select Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options and then select Startup Repair Tool. Allow Windows to automatically diagnose your system drive and attempt to fix the corrupted startup files that are triggering the loop. Finally, if the automatic repair fails and throws you right back to the keyboard layout screen, your master boot record is deeply corrupted and requires manual repair. Navigate back through your layout selection and troubleshoot menus, but this time select Command Prompt from the Advanced Options list. Type bootrec /fix mbr and press Enter. Then type bootrec /fix boot and press Enter. Then type bootrec /rebuild bcd and press Enter. Type exit, press Enter to close the terminal, and select Continue to boot normally into Windows 11. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.